G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the recent Bitcoin crash and whether this is a buying opportunity or if I think the markets are going to go down more. If you like the sounds of that, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So taking a look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that from the peak at about 108,000, we've actually had a drop of around 15%. Now, while Bitcoin's gone down 15%, a lot of our altcoins have gone smashed and gone down even bigger percentages, because as I've said in many videos, when Bitcoin goes up 5%, altcoins go up 10, 15, 20%, and when Bitcoin goes down 5%, altcoins also go down 10, 15, 20% because they're the more volatile asset class. Now the question is, has Bitcoin bottomed, or are we going to see some more downside? Well, we were bouncing off of this ascending level of support, and what happened when we broke that level is we actually got a very sharp drop to the downside, but we did come down to a key level of support. If I draw my line here, you can see that this was a previous level of resistance. Then we flipped it into support multiple times, and we are holding this level, which is giving me confidence that we may have seen a bottom in Bitcoin. But what I really want to see is I really want to see the price get above this trend line and start to hold that as new support, and then I would expect to get a bigger move to the upside. But for me, the Bitcoin chart is still a bit unclear at the moment, because it does look like we are rejecting from this ascending level of now resistance, which could lead to a bigger move down. And if we were to see another move down, what level would I be targeting? Well, I'd be targeting that $86,000 level. Now, do I think we're going to come all the way down here? Well, to get a bit more insight, what I've done is I've actually had a look at the total 2 chart for Confluence. Now, for those of you that don't know this chart, this is the entire market cap of crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I want to point out a few things. I want to talk about levels of imbalance. So we can see here, during our bear market, we had our accumulation period where we were accumulating sideways in this zone. Well, what happened? We finally got a breakout of that area, but in that area, we have a massive area of imbalance here where there's not a lot of volume. So these areas of imbalance actually like to be retested and turned into new support. So we've got a breakout to the upside to exactly this key level of resistance, rejected. And what happened? Well, price actually came down and rebalanced to the exact level that we originally broke out from when we made this big move to the upside. Well, in my opinion, I believe we're seeing the exact same thing happen again, because what happened? Well, we saw this massive breakout for our altcoins, but when we went up here, we had a massive area of imbalance on the chart, and these areas like to be filled. So if we actually draw a line here, we can see that after breaking above that key level, that we've actually broken out, and we've now come back and retested that level as support, and we're currently holding that key level, filling that imbalance. Now, this makes me a lot more confident that this is the bottom and that we're likely about to start that next move to the upside. As well, when we do pull a Fibonacci, we can actually see that that is a very key level as well. It's actually our golden pocket that we are now bouncing off of, which is the strongest level of support that you can have on the chart. So this makes me extremely confident that this is now the bottom and that we are getting ready to put in that next leg higher in the market. Because for me, this is a healthy market structure. You want to see price come down and retest these levels, flip them into support before they can then put in the next leg higher. Because the market was extremely overheated. We had an impulse from the bottom of about 135% for the altcoins. Now, there was no way that people weren't going to be taking profits. And now that people who were investing back here, and even back here had a chance to sell and take some profits, we can now put in that next leg higher in the market. Now, what are the next levels that I'm going to be targeting? Well, I do believe that once we actually break out of these all-time highs for the total 2 market cap, our next key level is going to be the 1.618 Fibonacci level, which is all the way up here. Now, this is going to be a massive impulse, which puts us at $2.5 trillion for the market cap of crypto. Now, this move is going to be very explosive, and the people who are investing now on this dip, when we get that breakout to the key Fibonacci level, that is when you're going to put in multiple X's of your portfolio. And depending how much you are able to buy right now, you could make life-changing amounts of money. Now, this is just our first Fibonacci level. What other levels would I be looking at? Well, a full Fibonacci extension would actually put us at around $5 to $6 trillion, which is going to be a very good level. Where I'd be looking to take profits in a lot of these altcoins. Now remember, this chart is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Including them, the whole market cap for crypto would be a lot higher. But on this dip, this is the opportunity to really load up on high quality altcoins that are gonna really explode once we do get this next leg higher in the market. Now we can see a very clear Elliott wave count as well. So we've got our wave 1 impulse, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we're about to put in a wave 5 impulse before we'll likely get a bigger move down and then see a B, C correction back down. And the way these Elliott waves work is this whole 5-wave impulse is only a wave 1, and your ABC correction is a wave 2, then wave 3, and then wave 4, 5, and so on. Now, this drawing is a bit messy, it's not meant to be accurate, but I'm just showing you a rough idea of the Elliott wave pattern in the market. Now guys, if you want to know the exact coins that I'm investing in that I believe are going to make you the most money, the most profit this bull run, you can purchase my top 10 picks for 2024-2025. Just click on the link in the description. And if you'd like some one-on-one coaching with me, message me on either Instagram or Twitter. And if you're looking for a reliable exchange to partner with, you can sign up for Binance and get 20% off trading fees. And if you're an Australian, I would recommend signing up for CoinSpot and using my referral link, and you can get a $10 bonus when you sign up. But besides that, that's all I've got for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out, Novogratz is bullish. Bottomed out, don't ever rise is bearish.
Bearish target, 13 time frame.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.